Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing a mini light I got for my phone camera. So the essence of this light is so that when I'm not at home, when I travel, I can easily put it in my bag and have lighting that can kind of like make the quality of my video, whatever I'm shooting, come out better. So now we're going to do the unboxing quickly and test it out. These are the lights. With these lights, I can easily connect it to my phone, and this is the off. This is the off. This is needed when you want to connect it to a normal camera. But for phone, this is for now. These are the things that came with this package. So this is the charger for charging the lights. So it's a rechargeable light. So all I just need to do is to clip this to this section here. So we are going to do a quick video using this small light. So it's connected now. Okay, so right now I'm using the lights. So if I off the lights, let's see the difference in the video. So this is without the lights. This is without the lights. And this is with the lights. Thank you for sticking around with me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like and share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.